welcome back to the channel, guys. We are at Montreal Airport. We're going to take a quick look at Enterprise National Alamo. We got a Chrysler 300 here. Take me back to the USA. Ford Mustang convertible, EcoBoost. Probably one of those GLC 300s SUV. And it looks like we got two Yukons here. Just a quick reminder, go ahead, click that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, give it a quick like. One of these from Ontario. Actually, that's, I can tell by the plate, CVX. That's probably brand new almost. What else we got at Enterprise here? It's definitely really busy out here, and not quite the same level of vehicles as Toronto has, but they do have some vehicles. And we got a Ford Explorer here. Got another Expedition. We do have actually a lot of cars coming in. It's for the returns. Returns are running off to be cleaned. They come in here. And then this is the National Executive Aisle. And we got some cars leaving here. We got Ford Explorer. We got a Camry leaving. And we got a Kia over here just in the regular Emerald Club aisle. Looks like we got a X2 in the Upgrade Premier selection. And in the executive aisle, we got somebody pulling in with a 300. Looks like we got another GLC coming in here. And this is the returns and where they actually clean up some of the vehicles here. Yeah, I think that's probably all there is to show you out here. Again, it's definitely peak summer period. All right, I think that's going to wrap things up. Oh boy, we got another plane taking off overhead. Thanks. Sorry for such a short video, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick look at what's out here. All right, I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, actually, there's another BMW around the corner here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, I'm back again, guys. Just more cars coming in here. I just wanted to give it a quick peek. So we got another Escape coming in. We got a RAV4. There's that 300, and we also have a Ford Fusion. Some of these are kind of fresh out of the car wash, you can see. All right, we'll see you guys later. Thanks again for watching.